How to make a VHS effect in CapCut. Let's get into it. Begin by importing your footage, then head up to Effects, search for VHS, and this is going to bring up a bunch of different effects that you can apply to your clip. Some are free and some are pro. For this particular demo, I'm going to add the found footage effect on top of my clip and extend it out. I'm also going to add the DV tape effect on top as well and extend that out also. For the found footage settings, I'm going to leave these the same. However, if it's too intense for your video, you can decrease these by using the sliders. In the DV tape settings, I'm going to bring the blur down so it's not as blurry. I'm going to increase the sharpen a little bit. I'm going to increase the color a little bit too. And I'm going to decrease the filters to get rid of that faded look. You may want to customize this slightly different for your video, and you may want to experiment with other VHS effects. I encourage you to do so. If we play this back, we can see we've added that VHS effect to our video, and that's all there is to it.